This is still.
You want to come say hi?
No.
Good morning. Hello and welcome. It's Erica Laree. Just wanted to jump in here quickly this morning. I am on my way to work. So wanted to speak to you guys on my commute into the office. I work for a mortgage lender. I manage a team of loan officers, 13 loan officers currently. And we actually sent them home because of the spike in cases with the Omicron variant. So my loan officers are at home, but I oftentimes will go into the office if I need to get something done or if I have an interview, which I do today. So I'm going in. It's nice to be able to get out of the house and get into the office. Sometimes it helps with productivity, or maybe that's just me. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all more productive in the office or more productive at home. But anyway, I like for my loan officers to be in the office. With the sales group, it's really important to kind of be in each other's presence, be with your peers, be able to play off of each other, feel that sales energy, motivate each other, those types of things. That's really important. And I like to keep my crew motivated, so I don't mind being in the office actually, but my primary concern is keeping everyone safe and keeping me safe. I can't be fooling with Omicron. So they went home, and we're going to do that for a few weeks. We'll see if it stabilizes. We'll see if we need to reconsider to extend the work from home period, or if we'll be back in the office. So that's that. Darling, and thank you for tuning in to my weekend vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Very low-key weekend as we were snowed in. It's very rare for Charlotte area in the Carolinas. I'm from Buffalo, New York, so if I never see a snowflake again, I'd be fine with that. But other people down here like to have a snow day. So I gave in. So it was a great weekend, actually very productive. You were able to see quite a bit of the things that I got through this weekend. I have a bit more content that is not included in this mini vlog, but you will see it in the next one. So you got to come with me through my commute to work. You got to see me make breakfast, even though my daughter ditched me to go play in the snow on the golf carts with her friend. What else did I do? You saw my Amazon unboxing, got a lot of great stuff. A gift from my bestie, the air fryer and the knife set. Thank you, best friend. I got my Christmas tree bag. As you've seen from clips around the house, my Christmas tree is still up and it's mid-January. It's the struggle tree this year, but that's okay. I still might actually keep it up until Valentine's Day. Still haven't decided, but I do have my Christmas tree bag now for whenever I'm ready to store it away. What else did I get? Oh, I got my new toaster. I think that was it. Was that everything? bunch of stuff. All of those Amazon boxes were sitting at the door for about 3-4 days. I say, let me go ahead and open this stuff up and let the people see what I just got. You were able to come with me. Oh, you were able to see me get my hair done. My good friend hooked me up, came to the house, braided my hair. She's always a lifesaver, and she always does such a flawless job. If y'all can see, it's always so perfect. Oops, I hope I didn't mess up my hair.
That from here. This is still.
You want to come say hi? Oh, and you watched me. That was the other thing. You watched me tidy up my laundry room. I had to do some laundry and folding and hanging this weekend. I actually still have a couple more loads to go. Thank God it's MLK weekend and I get an extra day. If I could wear braids every day forever, I would. But I try to change it up a little bit. But I'm back to what I love. Knotless braids. Thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, that's all, folks.